If you have overripe bananas, don't throw them away. Let's bake fresh banana bread at home with minimal ingredients. Here I'm using 2 medium-sized bananas. I'll peel them and mash them very well. Crack in 2 medium-sized eggs and whisk well. I forgot to show I've added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Unfortunately, I did not have baking soda at home, so I used 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything very well. Meanwhile, I'll preheat the air fryer for 200 degrees and then I will grease the air fryer pan to avoid sticking. Pour the mixture. I love to add walnuts in my banana bread, so I'll just sprinkle a bit of walnuts and then pop it in the air fryer for baking. I'll bake for 20 minutes in 150 degrees. Here it goes. I cannot wait to tell you guys how amazingly it smells and how tasty it was. If you guys like this recipe, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.